Murungamiri wa bondi ya Nchobi ndene ya Meru itonga kubuna MC wa mwathi ene ruturandira ne bakinyete nturene yangita na kwarania na Akari nyumba Nchobi korwa ntubele muthenya uyoro Akari ndibore tukumenyere kumania na Nchobi ndene watho arungamiri mwatura bakiritirwa mukana iyo murito. Nicola Chabari aina riboti
iru ni rari kwa dump site ya Nchobi na second generation liquor we as Meru liquor board to control 80%.
Hii pombe inanywewa hapa watu wamelewa asubuhi mpaka saa hii. Lazima tutapambana nayo ikwishe.
Gitonga kubuni CEO wa bondi ya manto megie Nchobi county ya Meru nara athuritwe ebonenene ikarika aria ntugo yegoro ntere echangitana akiuga anarikitie kinya kwandikira abarua kiri county commissioner manto ni megie kurwa na Nchobi no endikira kwenda ni tagaria thina mbere kujirwa kinya machibo babarungamirite ntura ino.
Nchobi ningite mutuati sub county sana. I have complained severally to the county commissioner. I have written to him. He's my good friend. We sat down. We came up with modalities on how to bring sanity. We have tried all the level best, but the county commissioner, no tuene unini ba ko mbeto bojera tu wora to angriere county commissioner uma my good friend na take action na sibuba anto ba ko ni boro wa Nchobi na no twene ni kutura kuira Nchobi county commissioner na yire mutuate ya but there is no action ire tekwa sibo kabasi sub location na assistant chief ba na batuoni ke thara misira ba watite ba ike kotini be ne evidence
CEO likambondi wengo nika gwibwete tema munono tunandikirite nya county commissioner barua na tumekele anene bawe lakini response ya barua yandiki ni CEO response ya yone iku non tuandika barua atandika kukuwa so iba take step misas ke ginya bala batagwa na muntu wendo onge ukutweka na kudwa Nchobi no yoendo kotini
Nchobi illicit muntu robati kwitwa ya no sana ni chief assistant chief ndio na DC no twene otirebwa Nchobi yomba kwithekirwa within sub location otire musi sub chief atiche rwa Nchobi otire musi chief atiche rwa Nchobi chief bairangiri yere every week assistant chief akairangiri
bagwatanirite na endre thuranira orane MCO wandi ya mwathi baliuga
atongoria bara nabo bakusikana ukarianto please Nchobi ende na watho kabaje muntu akuthure lakini tuata maisha yantu tuabolise mantu Nchobi
tutobokirira antu beto bathiro theria batura antu balikambodi twatwitangwire reto then chibo no batukuruitha Nchobi ana rungu na githakene
Kumagebe North Petan Class Chabari.